Hey, what's up everybody? Average Tech Guy here, and today we're back with another review. This time we're going to be looking at the Mixcder active noise canceling wireless headphones. This is the E9 model. Let's get it open. Let's get them checked out. Let's see what we think about them. As I mentioned, these are the Mixcder headphones. When you take them out of the box, they come in a hard carrying case just like this. You also get this little pouch right here with owner's manual. Let's open it up and see what else comes inside. Right, you get your owner's manual. Comes in different languages. Put that to the side. You get a micro USB charging adapter, and you get multiple headphone outputs, and you get an auxiliary port, because these can actually be hooked up if your battery dies. You get this, which we're not going to use. Put all that to the side. Let's talk about what we got right here. In this carrying case, these are your noise canceling headphones. So you notice you get a nice rubber strap that's going to hold them down. When they're in this case, they're not going to flop around. See, they're going to be held in. Plus, nice carrying case. You get a strap up top. Let's put that to the side. We're gonna talk about these. Nice material on the outside, very good quality of build. You get your Mixcder branding right there. Actually folds in. So these can actually fold in two separate ways. You can fold them like your traditional Beat headphones, or fold them like this and store them in your case. Now let's go through the real estate. Down here, you get your power button. You get your LED light to let you know that they are on. Your micro USB charging port right here, very important. Volume up and down right here. Now, volume up and down serves as two purposes, and I'll show you that in a little bit when I hook it up to my phone. Volume up and down actually controls the volume, but if you hold this down, it skips a song, and if you hold this one down, the volume down, it goes back a song. Over on the other earpiece, you get the active noise cancellation button. Turn that on. Has an LED light on it. And you get your 3.5mm headphone jack right there. 3.5mm headphone jack is going to work whether you have battery power or not. So that is a big bonus to that. Looking at our box, it's telling us that we're going to get about 30 hours of playtime without the active noise cancellation, and about 24 hours of playtime with the active noise cancellation. So that is a big plus on that battery. So right here, some of the features: active noise cancellation, like we just talked about, 30 hours of playtime. You get large drivers in here, 40mm, which is awesome. You're gonna get good sound, good crisp quality sound out of this. You can use this wireless or wired. You got two different designs that you can fold it in, as I just showed you, and you get this nice carrying case. Let's hook it up to the phone and we're gonna see how it acts just a little bit. Right here, I have my Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. Get that unlocked. Boom. Now, going into your Bluetooth settings, I already have this set up to work with my device. Now, what I want to show you guys is that as soon as I turn it on, power button here, okay, you see how fast that connected. It powered on, it connected. Tells you how much battery you have left. It lets you do calls, audio, etc. You know the drill on that. Now, the coolest part is, check this out. It tells you 100% battery. So your battery percentage for these headphones is going to be right here in your Bluetooth settings, so you can always keep up with how much battery you have at any given time. Now, let's talk about actually playing some songs and how this actually works. I got the music playing. I just want to show you guys how, sound quality is good. We're not going to be able to get a true sound quality through the headphones on this video, but just take my word for it. Sound quality is great. Now, if you turn these up past, I would say 90%, when you go to 100%, you may get a little bit of distortion. But most speakers, once you go to that percentage, you're going to get some type of distortion from something. So you got the nice padded earpieces right here. Now, I want to change this song. So I'm going to take my volume up and I'm going to hold it down, and it's going to skip songs. Did you see that? Holding it down, skip songs. Easy functions. You got volume up, volume down. You can actually take calls on this. You're gonna answer your call with your power button. Hold that down, it's gonna answer your call. Tap it again, it hangs it up. So really good setup. You can go on Amazon and grab these. You're gonna spend anywhere from about 50 to 75 bucks, depending on if you catch any sales that they're having at any given time. These do go on sale. The original price is like $160, I think, but you can pick them up on Amazon for a little bit cheaper. You can get coupons with those. So I hope this is able to help someone. I'll be sure and leave a link to this in the description below. But once again, these are the Mixcder E9 model. Remember E9 because they have several models. This is the E9 active noise cancellation wireless headphones. If you're looking for some headphones at a decent price and you don't want to break the bank, here we go. Got them right here, and they have great quality as well. Also, I've been looking for headphones that actually fold flat so I can put it down in my bag, and this is a very nice narrow carrying case to do that. So hope this helps someone. Until next time, be sure and give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.